In this question, we have to find which of the following are correct statement or which of the following are correct condition for aromaticity. Now, first condition, compound must be cyclic. This is correct. For any compound to be aromatic, it must be cyclic. Open chain compound cannot be aromatic. Compound must be planar. This is also correct. For any compound to be aromatic, it must be planar, or if it is not perfectly planar, then nearly planar. So planarity is essential condition for aromaticity. 6 electrons are delocalized. So 6 electrons are delocalized, less than 6. If 2 electrons are delocalized, still molecule can be aromatic. So this is not essential condition. It is not necessary that molecule must have only 6 electrons. We have other aromatic compound, like this is aromatic compound which is having only 2 electrons or 2 electrons delocalized. So condition C is not necessary. Total number of pi electron must be equal to 4n plus 2. Yes, this is correct. Any molecule which is aromatic must follow 4n plus 2 pi electron system. Here n is equal to, it may be 0, 1, 2. For example, if we put value of n is equal to 0, then we will get 2 pi electron. If we put value of n 1, then n is equal to, if 1, then 6 pi electron. So condition A, B, D are correct condition for any compound to be aromatic, and hence correct answer is 3. In this question, aromatic compound burn with sooty flame. If you burn any organic compound, it will give CO2 and H2. During burning of benzene or aromatic compound, it gives sooty flame. The reason behind sooty flame is this molecule have high percentage of carbon. So any molecule if have higher percentage of carbon, now it will give sooty flame. So correct answer is D. They have ring structure of carbon atom. So ring, we have other molecules which also have ring, but they do not give sooty flame. So ring structure is not responsible. They have relatively high percentage of hydrogen. No. Molecule C6H6 is having high percentage of carbon. Other molecule, if this molecule is saturated hydrocarbon, if 6 carbon atoms are present in saturated hydrocarbon, then it must contain 14 hydrogen. So benzene is having higher percentage of carbon. So correct answer is D. In this question, we have to find which of the following is aromatic and heterocyclic compound. So molecule must be aromatic as well as heterocyclic. Now if we take option A, pyrrole molecule is having 5-membered ring with nitrogen atom. So nitrogen atom is present in ring, so molecule is heterocyclic, and along with heterocyclic, it is having 6 pi electron which are completely delocalized in ring. So cyclic resonance is present, total 6 pi electrons are present, so this molecule is aromatic. So this is heterocyclic and aromatic, and hence correct answer is A. Now if we take other molecule, if we take naphthalene molecule, now this molecule is cyclic and aromatic, but it is homocyclic aromatic. Homocyclic because all the atoms present in ring are same, identical, they all are carbon. Ethylene dioxide, now this is heterocyclic compound, but this molecule is not aromatic due to lack of cyclic resonance. So heterocyclic but not aromatic. This compound is not aromatic compound. Next, dioxane. Dioxane is again heterocyclic but not aromatic due to lack of cyclic resonance. This molecule is not having cyclic resonance, so molecule is non-aromatic, and correct answer is A. In this question, we have to find which of the following is not aromatic compound. Now if we take first molecule, that is benzene. Benzene is cyclic compound having complete cyclic resonance. Cyclic compound having complete cyclic resonance along with 6 pi electron. 6 pi electron and cyclic resonance. So benzene is aromatic compound. Now if we take cyclooctatetraene, now this molecule is having 4 pi electron, and this molecule is actually non-planar, because to avoid anti-aromaticity, this molecule adopt a tub-like structure in which resonance is not present, and due to lack of resonance, this molecule is non-aromatic. Now tropylium cation, now this molecule is tropylium cation, having complete cyclic resonance. This molecule is having complete cyclic resonance, total pi 6 pi electron. So this molecule is again aromatic in nature. This molecule is aromatic. Now cyclopentadienyl anion is having 6 pi electron along with complete cyclic resonance. So this molecule is aromatic in nature. So option B is not aromatic. This is non-aromatic compound, and reason is this: to avoid anti-aromaticity, molecule is non-planar and so non-aromatic. In this question we have to find which of the following are aromatic compound. Now if we take first molecule, now this molecule is having 3 electron pair. Nitrogen is having lone pair electron, but lone pair electron are not involved in resonance. So 3 pair electron or total 6 pi electron with complete cyclic resonance. So this molecule is aromatic in nature. Now if we take second molecule, now this part of molecule, ring of the molecule, is having 6 pi electron with complete cyclic resonance. So this molecule is also aromatic in nature. Now in third case, this part is having partial positive, negative, partial positive and negative, and due to partial charges, this part is similar to this molecule, and this molecule is having complete cyclic resonance with even number of electron pair. Now molecule is having pair of electron or total 4 pi electron. So this molecule is anti-aromatic in nature. While if we take option 4, this molecule is thiophene, having total 6 pi electron, 2 pi bond and 1 lone pair of electron which are involved in resonance. So total 6 pi electron, या odd electron pair, 3 pair of electron with complete cyclic resonance. So this molecule is also aromatic in nature, and hence correct answer is 1, 3 and 4 are 1, 2 and 4 are aromatic in nature, and correct answer is C. In this question we have to find which of the following molecules are unstable at room temperature. So anti-aromatic compounds are unstable at room temperature. Now if we take first molecule, now this molecule is having lack of cyclic resonance. So due to absence of cyclic resonance, this molecule is non-aromatic. Now if we take option B, now this molecule is having cyclic resonance, and along with cyclic resonance, molecule is having 4 pi electron, and if molecule is having 4 pi electron or even number of electron pair, then molecule is anti-aromatic. So this molecule is anti-aromatic. Now option C, this molecule is having polar carbon oxygen bond, due to which partial positive charge is developed on carbon and partial negative charge on oxygen. Now this part of the molecule is anti-aromatic. It is similar to this molecule. Now this molecule is again having complete resonance, and along with complete cyclic resonance having 2 electron pair. So this molecule is anti-aromatic. Now in fourth case, this molecule is having partial positive charge in carbon and negative charge on oxygen, and it is similar to tropylium carbocation. Now this carbocation is tropylium. So now this molecule is having complete cyclic resonance along with 3 electron pair or 6 pi electron. So this molecule is aromatic. Now B and C are anti-aromatic. B and C are anti-aromatic, and anti-aromatic compounds are unstable at room temperature, and hence correct answer is 4, B and C only. In this question we have to find which of the following molecule will produce carbocation most easily, or in which case ionization takes place up to maximum extent. Now rate of ionization or rate of formation of carbocation depend on stability of carbocation. Higher is the stability of carbocation, most easily carbocation will be formed. Now in case A, carbocation formed is anti-aromatic and hence highly unstable. Now in case B, carbocation formed is aromatic and hence it is one of the most stable carbocation. In the compound given C, formation of carbocation is most difficult because now Br is attached with conjugated system, due to which partial pi bond is developed between carbon and Br, and carbocation form is phenyl, which is having positive charge on sp2 hybridized atom, which is again highly unstable. So in case of the carbocation formed is stabilized by resonance. Now among these 4 carbocation, B is most stable because it is aromatic in nature, having cyclic resonance and 3 electron pair. So B formed most easily and maximum ionization will be takes place in option B, and hence correct answer is B. In this question we have to find which of the following compound is aromatic in nature. For any molecule to be aromatic, it must be cyclic, it must have cyclic resonance, conjugation must not break in ring. Number 3, electron pair must be odd. Electron pair may be 1, 3, 5 or 7. So total delocalized electron must be 2, 6, 10 or 14. And if any molecule follow all these conditions, then molecule will be aromatic in nature. Now if we take first molecule, in this molecule conjugation is break, pi, sigma, then sigma and then pi. So there is lack of cyclic resonance, and if molecule is not having cyclic resonance, then molecule is non-aromatic in nature. So first is non-aromatic. Now second molecule is having complete cyclic resonance. So cyclic resonance is present and total electron pair 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 electron pair. So odd electron pair are present, or total 5 electron pair or total 10 pi electrons are present. So molecule is aromatic in nature. Now in third case, nitrogen is also having lone pair, but these lone pairs are not involved in resonance, so they are not counted as pi electron. Now molecule is having total 3 and 2 5 pi electron, so odd electron pair or total electron 10 electrons are present, so this molecule is also aromatic, and hence B and C are aromatic in nature, and hence correct answer is D. In this question we have to find which of the following is aromatic compound. So for any compound to be aromatic, it must be cyclic, it must have resonance in such a way that conjugation is present in the ring. Now this type of resonance is called cyclic resonance. So molecule must have cyclic resonance, and total electron delocalized in ring, total electron pair must be odd, means either 1 electron pair, 3, 5 or 7. Now total pi electrons, if 1 electron pair, then 2, 3, then 6, 10 or 14 electrons are present, means molecule must follow Huckel's rule or 4n plus 2 pi rule. So any molecule which follow these two conditions will be aromatic. Now first molecule is having cyclic resonance, conjugation is present in the ring. So molecule is cyclic resonance having 1 electron pair, so molecule is aromatic. Now second molecule is having 3 electron pair, so again odd electron pairs are present along with cyclic resonance is present, so molecule is aromatic. Now third molecule pyridine is having 3 pi bond, so 3 electron pair, and 1 electron pair is present on nitrogen, but it is not involved in resonance, so total pi electrons are 6, pi electron pair are 3, so odd electron pairs are present, hence pyridine is also aromatic in nature, and hence correct answer is D. In this question we have to find which of the following is non-aromatic compound. So any molecule which is not having cyclic resonance will be non-aromatic, not having cyclic resonance. If cyclic resonance is present, if molecule is having cyclic resonance and along with cyclic resonance even electron pair are present, if even electron pairs are present, then molecule is anti-aromatic. If odd electron pairs are present, in that case molecule is aromatic. But if cyclic resonance is not present, if cyclic resonance is absent the molecule, then molecule will be non-aromatic. Like in first case, pi, sigma, pi, then 2 sigma continuous, so molecule is not having cyclic resonance, so this molecule is non-aromatic. Now second molecule is thiophene having 3 electron pair and cyclic resonance, so aromatic. Now naphthalene molecule is having 5 electron pair, so odd electron pair, and complete conjugation is present, so again molecule is aromatic. Cyclopentadienyl anion is having 2 pi bond and 1 negative charge. Negative charge are also involved in resonance, so total 3 electron pair and complete conjugation, so this is also aromatic, and hence correct answer is A. Which species is not aromatic? Now if we take first molecule, now this molecule is having complete cyclic resonance and total electron pair which are involved in resonance are 1, 2 and 3. Nitrogen is having 1 lone pair, but this lone pair is not involved in resonance because it is present in sp2 hybridized orbital which is perpendicular to other p orbital which are involved in resonance. So total 6 pi electron or 3 electron pairs are present in ring, and any molecule which is having odd electron pair will be aromatic, so pyridine molecule is aromatic in nature. Now in case B, given molecule is cyclooctatetraene. Now this molecule adopt non-planar geometry to avoid anti-aromaticity. Now this molecule is tub shaped and non-planar. Due to non-planarity, its molecule does not have resonance, so cyclic resonance is not present, and due to absence of cyclic resonance, molecule is non-aromatic. So any molecule which is not having cyclic resonance will be non-aromatic. In option C, now this is pyrrole molecule having 3 electron pair involved in resonance, so odd electron pairs are involved in resonance along with cyclic resonance is present, so this molecule is aromatic in nature. Now third, this is ion of pyrrole molecule. Now this ion is having 2 pair of electron, out of which only one is involved in resonance. If any atom have more than 1 electron pair, then only its 1 electron pair will be involved in resonance, so total 3 electron pairs are involved in resonance. Molecule is having complete cyclic resonance, and hence this molecule is also aromatic. So non-aromatic compound is only B, and hence correct answer is B. In this question we have to find which of the following compound are anti-aromatic. So for any molecule which is having cyclic resonance, and this if molecule is having electron pair even, then molecule is anti-aromatic, and if electron pair are odd, then molecule is aromatic. And if molecule is not having cyclic resonance or cyclic resonance is absent, then molecule is non-aromatic in nature. Now if we take first molecule, oxygen is having two pair of electron, out of only one will be involved in resonance. So one pair of electron and two pi bond, so total three electron pair, and hence this molecule is aromatic in nature due to presence of three electron pair and complete cyclic resonance. In case B, now molecule is having pi sigma pi complete resonance from this carbon till this carbon. Now here conjugation is break, and due to absence of cyclic resonance is not present, hence molecule is non-aromatic. So this molecule is non-aromatic in nature. Now third molecule, cyclooctatetraene. Now this molecule change its geometry and become non-planar, and due to absence of resonance this molecule is again non-aromatic. So this molecule change its plane to avoid anti-aromaticity and become non-planar, and due to absence of planarity this molecule is non-aromatic in nature. Now in option fourth, now this molecule is having three electron pair, along with three electron pair molecule is having cyclic resonance, so this molecule is again aromatic in nature. Now in third case, molecule is having cyclic resonance is present in the ring, but total two electron pairs are present, and due to presence of even electron pair molecule is anti-aromatic in nature. In sixth case, now molecule is again having cyclic resonance, so cyclic resonance is present in the molecule, along with cyclic resonance two electron pair are present, so even electron pair are present, and hence molecule is anti-aromatic. So 5 and 6 are anti-aromatic in nature, and hence correct answer is D.